watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Squidward. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, I'd really appreciate it if you did that right now. Awesome. Well, a few supplies that we'll need, as always, includes a blank piece of drawing paper, and you will also need a black Sharpie or pencil to draw with. Now we're going to need 4 different colors today. We'll need a red, a light blue, a gold brown, lastly, a green colored pencil. Well, I think we can do really great on this drawing. Let's go try to draw Squidward and let's see what we can come up with. Okay, so for the first step, we're going to make one line on each side. Then we will connect those lines with a big oval-like shape. This will be the top of the head for Squidward. Awesome, now the next step would be to make the eyelids. Below in the center of those eyelids, we're going to make Squidward's nose. Underneath each eyelid, we're going to make one U-like shape that will connect to the nose. Now, right in the center, we're going to make square-like shapes inside of the eyes that we just made. Now we're going to begin to make the lower half of Squidward's face. So we're going to begin to make one line extending out and one on the right side as well, and then we will connect those lines. Below Squidward's nose, we're going to make 2 parallel lines, which will be his neck. At the bottom of Squidward's neck, we're going to begin to make the collar of his shirt. On the right and left side, we're going to begin to make Squidward's sleeves. Once we have the sleeves finished, we're going to go ahead and we're going to connect them, and we're going to bring one line down on the left side, bring it over to the right, and then right back down. Just below Squidward's shirt, we're going to make a big U-like shape, and we're going to connect it. And below that shape that we just made, we're going to begin to make his tentacles. Awesome, once we complete that step, we're going to make it appear as if Squidward's arms are placed on his hips. Now we're going to do the same thing to the left side that we just did to the right side. Now we're going to move back up. We're going to add a little bit of detail to Squidward's face. This is How to Draw Squidward. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now color him in with us.